Ever found yourself fully booked, yet still getting calls from eager clients desperate for an appointment? Or perhaps you've experienced the frustration of last-minute cancellations leaving gaping holes in your schedule. If you're in the beauty, wellness, or fitness industry, you know these scenarios all too well. Maximizing your time and ensuring your schedule is always packed is crucial for your business's success. But how do you capture that demand when you're already at capacity, or quickly fill those unexpected openings without hours of manual outreach? The answer for many lies in a powerful, yet often overlooked, feature in modern scheduling software: the waitlist. Today, we're diving deep into a question that many business owners using or considering Vagaro often ask: does Vagaro have a waitlist? And more importantly, how effective is it, and how can it revolutionize your business operations? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why a robust waitlist system isn't just a nice-to-have, but a necessity for any thriving service-based business. So, let's get straight to it. Yes, absolutely, Vagaro does have a waitlist feature, and it's quite comprehensive. This isn't just some basic list where you jot down names. Vagaro's waitlist is designed to be a dynamic tool that helps you manage client demand, fill cancellations, and ultimately, maximize your revenue. It's integrated directly into their robust scheduling and client management system, allowing for seamless operation whether you're a solo stylist, a bustling salon, a busy spa, or a popular fitness studio. Think about it. When a client tries to book an appointment and sees that your desired time slot or even your entire day is fully booked, what happens? Without a waitlist, they might just move on to your competitor. But with Vagaro's waitlist, they're given an option. They can add themselves to a waitlist for their preferred service, provider, date, and even a specific time range. This simple action transforms a potential lost booking into a captured lead. It tells you, the business owner, that there's unfulfilled demand, and it gives you the power to act on it. Now, how does this magic happen? Vagaro offers multiple ways to manage your waitlist, catering to different business needs and preferences. Let's break down the 4 main waitlist options available within Vagaro. First, there's the You Pick option. This is your manual control center. When a spot opens up, or you decide to open up more availability, you'll be notified. Then you can manually review the waitlist, see who requested that specific time or service, and choose which client you want to offer the slot to. This is great for businesses that prefer a hands-on approach, perhaps to prioritize VIP clients, accommodate special requests, or simply maintain full discretion over who gets the next available slot. You'll receive notifications in your panel, and then you can browse availability and schedule the client directly. Next, we have the Money Maker option. This is where Vagaro gets smart. If your primary goal is to maximize revenue, this setting is for you. When a time slot opens, Vagaro automatically notifies the customer on your waitlist who has the highest priced appointment request. This is a brilliant way to ensure that any sudden openings contribute the most to your bottom line. Imagine a high-value client who wanted a full balayage and cut, suddenly getting a notification that their desired time has opened up. A win-win for both of you. Then there's First in Line. As the name suggests, this option prioritizes fairness and speed. When an appointment becomes available, Vagaro automatically notifies the first customer on the waitlist for that specific service and provider. They'll have a set amount of time to respond and book the appointment. If they don't, the opportunity then moves to the next person on the list. This ensures a transparent and efficient system, rewarding those who got on the waitlist earliest. It's perfect for high-demand services where clients are eager to grab any open slot. Finally, we have the Instant Book option. This is the ultimate in automation and speed. When a time slot opens, Vagaro instantly notifies all customers on the waitlist who meet the criteria for that opening. The first client to respond and book the appointment gets it. This creates a quick-fire opportunity for clients and ensures that last-minute cancellations are filled almost immediately. It's ideal for businesses with services that have high turnover or for those who want to minimize empty slots as much as humanly possible. Beyond these specific options, Vagaro's waitlist functionality is deeply integrated into the overall platform. Clients can add themselves to the waitlist directly from your online booking page when their preferred time is unavailable, making the process incredibly simple for them. You can also manually add clients to the waitlist from your calendar if you're managing bookings over the phone or in person. Notifications are a key component of its effectiveness. When a spot opens up and a waitlisted client is notified, you, as the business owner or staff member, also receive notifications. This keeps everyone in the loop and ensures opportunities aren't missed. Vagaro sends these notifications via email, text, and push notifications, depending on your and your client's preferences, significantly reducing the chances of a no-show from a waitlist conversion. The benefits of utilizing Vagaro's waitlist feature extend far beyond just filling empty slots. It provides invaluable insights into your business. By tracking waitlist requests, you can identify peak demand times, understand which services are most popular, and even recognize if you need to consider expanding your team or extending your hours for certain services. This data-driven approach allows you to make informed decisions to optimize your schedule and maximize your earning potential. Furthermore, a waitlist significantly enhances the customer experience. Instead of hitting a dead end when their preferred time isn't available, clients feel valued knowing there's a system in place to potentially get them in. It reduces frustration and fosters loyalty. When a client successfully books through the waitlist, it's often a delightful surprise, reinforcing their positive perception of your business. It shows you're proactive and committed to accommodating their needs. Imagine a busy Friday afternoon. A client calls, desperate for a last-minute haircut before a big event. Your calendar is slammed. Instead of turning them away, you simply add them to the waitlist. Moments later, another client cancels, and Vagaro's waitlist system automatically notifies the first client. They book it instantly, and you've just saved a sale and made a client incredibly happy, all without lifting a finger beyond the initial waitlist entry. This is the power of automation and intelligent design working for your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.